Hey, if you didn't get a chance to explore the new Suggest Auto Layout feature that was also announced during Config 2024, let's explore it together. Let's go. So I'm going to start with creating this frame without using any auto layout, and I'm going to add some dummy content to it. And I'm going to add this content in such a way that if I would have used auto layout to make this card, I'm pretty sure I would have made several nested frames within this one card. And I'm doing this just to understand how well Suggest Auto Layout can do the same. So I'm taking a copy of this, and for the first card, let's try to apply our normal auto layout, which is by using Shift A. After applying auto layout, I'm just going to try and see how it behaves if I resize this. So it's not really responsive, and if you look, you will understand that every element inside this is just wrapped in one frame. So there are no nested frames there. I'm going to move on to the second card now. And now I'm going to apply the Suggest Auto Layout by using Shift Control A, and if you're using Windows, you can try using Shift Alt A. So I've applied this, and now you can notice how it has created some nested frames within the main auto layout frame. And if I try to resize this, it's responsive as well. How cool is that? So let me know in the comments below what you best liked about this feature. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.